Hello, hello, hello. This is Robin from Momming with Rover. And today we are working on our Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent Calendar opening, unboxing, checking out, all the things. Hope you guys are all having a great day. And let's jump right in here. So we're going to start with our tea. And as a reminder, we are doing the Vadam India tea sampler, which of course I thought I was buying an Advent calendar and I did not. So we are just reaching in, grabbing a tea bag and going from there. Oh, yellow. Oh, turmeric spice. The last turmeric wasn't a very good experience. Let's see what we got. I have come to the decision I just do not like turmeric anything. Let's see what we got. It's quite heavily scented. I don't know, that's different. It is different. Let's get that soaking. See what we got. It says caffeine-free infusion herbal tea. That's it. All we know is there's turmeric in there. Let's get that thing dunking. Going for a little hot bath. Putting her in the hot tub there. Okay. Well, hopefully we're getting through all of the non-favorite ones. We've had a whole row of them, it seems like. All right, so that thing's a-cooking. It's going to be yellowish. You know, I got to say the scent isn't as... It's more pleasant than the last ones I have had. Okay, let's talk about the 12 Days of Christmas. I keep saying tapestry. It probably is, but it's embroidery in my world. All right, so we were working on the 11 Piper's piping, and I have not touched it. So we still have the 11 done, and I've still got the entire horn, which I don't know what that's got to do with Piper's, but it is. It is. So that is, didn't touch it. In fact, it never even left, sitting right here next to me. You know how when you're working on a project and you can kind of see the finish line and that's all you want to do is just get that one project done. That's what has happened to me. I'm nearly done with a whip even. And there's no deadline on this thing. It's just that I'm almost done. So I just keep grabbing that and working on it instead of all these other things. So my bad. But I never ever thought I would get this done in the 12 days of Christmas. So there's still, no. We have 2 more, and I just don't see that happening. Anywho, let's move on to the box. I think I misspoke yesterday and said we were doing 22, but it is 21. This is our box, 21. It's got the little acorns on there, so cute. Let's see what our thing says. Squirrels sometimes forget their acorn locations, allowing new trees to grow. I think I knew that. I think that's one of the very few things I knew of all these little facts. That's going to be a hard one to see. That's going to be a hard one to see. Okay. All right, let's... Oh! See? Now I would have thought there was going to be thread in here, but there is not. It's something noisy. Let's open it up. See what we have. It's in a bag. Oh, is it? It is. It's a little keychain. If I can get the bag open, a little keychain in the bag. Boy, I have put a lot of things in these little bags. I know how hard they can be to open. Oh, that's so cute. So it's a keychain with a charm on it, and it is a candy cane. Come on. Candy cane charm. Super cute. And see, now this is a nice heavy duty chain, and I can add other charms to this because I've got a million charms left from doing my stitch markers and my keychains. So I can find some kind of other fun charms to put down on here. Nice. Very, very nice. So that's funny, 2 keychains in a row. Because yesterday was a keychain kit. I like that. I like it. All right, let's put number 21 back. We got to flip it around. And we've got the part of a tree, and it looks like maybe an upside down Santa. Not sure. Let's put it in there and see if that makes any sense. Oh, it makes perfect sense. Because upside down Santa is going into the chimney of this house. That makes perfect sense now. Okay, so tomorrow is this one, number 22. Yeah, 22, the big one on the bottom. So we'll dig that one out and we'll do it tomorrow. We are getting right down to the end on these. I've really enjoyed this process, this project. Let's see how our tea is coming along. It is very, very yellow. Very, very yellow. That turmeric, I just don't know. Yeah, it's not as terrible as the last turmeric we had. Let's give her a try. It isn't terrible. It isn't something that it wouldn't be my go-to. I wouldn't go, I want that. But it's not terrible. It's drinkable. Do you like my cup? Do I look like I care? Angry kitty. Inside on the bottom, there's a ball of yarn. This was a Christmas gift from a friend of mine. I love that. I love that cup. The tea is surprisingly not horrible. It is drinkable. I wouldn't choose it, but I can drink this. I'm surprised. I am surprised. And that is it for today. We got our wonderful keychain. We have made zero progress on our stitching. And I'm thinking about today, you know, I have a couple of errands today, and you know, I always take a project with me, and typically I wouldn't think to take stitching because of all of the color changes, but since I'm only using one color for the whole thing, maybe I'll take this with me today. It's small, easy to carry, easy to pick up and put down. Yeah, I'll do that. So maybe this will get done. This will get done today, and I'll have something to show you tomorrow. Okie dokie, that is it for now. I will log off. I will say thank you so much for joining me. Please like, please subscribe, and please send this off to somebody you think might enjoy it. We'll see you later. Bye-bye, floss tubers.